That's what it was.
What it was.
What did it say?
PBS.
That's what I thought.
You know, that's what's funny is that when I came in this room, that's what I called that guy.
Yeah.
Because I knew that he was a.
Is that Waldo?
So who's the pussy?
You.
Heard that.
Correct answer.
Direct answer.
That's what I want.
There we go, see?
Wow.
Thanks, bitch.
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean? What? Call me a pussy? You're gonna be called a bitch. What could I tell you? Stay quiet all this time? Embarrassing me like that? What the fuck? Didn't you call me a goddamn pussy? Come on, wuss. Show us something. You man enough to call me a pussy? Show me something. Come on. You can't light up a box and you call me a pussy. I could light that up faster than you can. Come on. Let's go.
Scare him by playing the piano.
That's it. I'm gonna go play the piano. I gave you a chance. I was gonna be nice. You don't want me to play the piano? Light it up. You got a box right there. Come on.
Bitch.
Man. Choice words I hear.
Well, there's the alarm Scott's playing with.
Light it up.
When you sat down.
Yep. Alright, I'm gonna play this piano.
Oh, please make him stop. Sick.
How do you think about his piano skills? Boring?
Hey, you're really giving it to me today.
How many's in this room? Just 3?
Sounded like 3.
I didn't. Yeah.
What?
We
A bitch.
we got a kid in this room. Ooh. Do we have an adult in this room? Other than us?
Alright. Who's here?
Phil?
Who else is here? Gonna play the name game.
Everybody got a name tag.
My name is Scott.
My name's Brian.
Who knew?
Yeah, I don't have a name tag.
My name's Greg.
My name's Kim.
Who else is sitting at the table?
Who do you like the most in this room?
Light up that box again.
Nope.
Come on, I know you can do it.
Who do you dislike the most in this room? This ain't Greg.
That's what it sounded like.
Did it say me?
Oh, yeah.
I looked at
Why?
you.
This ain't, yeah.
'Cause what said
What's
your
wrong
name?
with Greg? Why don't you like him?
Do you not like me because I'm sympathetic to children and not so sympathetic to adults?
I'm getting cold behind me. My shoulder. Back behind me. Like shoulder area. Back of my arm.
$66.
Yeah, it's like back in here. Like back behind me.
Who's playing with Brian right now? $54. So that's a good thing. I'll tell you what. Can you touch Brian on his shoulder?
Can you give Scott a hug? Nope. Anything going on?
You guys are getting quiet. Come on now, you're starting off good.
I know they're doing great. They even called me a pussy. Now they're not even talking.
Yeah, I
What the
know.
hell? Come on, guys. Talk to me. Girlfriend?
It's not like he's trying to pick up a date now.
Sorry, I ain't a girl.
There we go. Got some heads over there.
Was that nerd?
Keeps going between this right here and that. K2 back and forth.
Hello? Hey, who are you? Mo? Mo.
I've heard that before. I thought I've heard it say Mo a couple times.
Mo, are you a custodian here? Isabel?
No names I got, well, it's gone now. I think. I won't get it back. Because I don't lose it now. Thought I Drania or something like that. Oh, wait a minute, I may still have it.
It's Alina, wasn't it, or something like that? Alina?
Arena.
Arena.
Arianna.
Arena, are you here?
Ariana.
Ariana, I'm sorry.
Yeah, my bad.
Ariana, are you here?
Get a bunch of random.
Yeah. I just want one person to talk to us. Is it Ariana? And are you here?
Echo, yeah.
You guys want to ship to a different area?